What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Agik. So here is the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 5G. So here are the top 5 reasons why should you buy. The number 50 reason is this slider. As you can see, I can easily put slider at whatever app I want to open. Yeah, if I open the slider, my WhatsApp open. That's simple. Number 4 thing is the display. I mean, you can't just get a beautiful phone than this one. Let me go to like display. I mean, the display of this phone is amazingly beautiful, to be honest with you. Let me put this one. Yeah, I mean, look at you by yourself. Look at yourself. The display of this phone is outside of this world, to be honest with you. You just can't find a better display, to be honest with you, on this phone. I mean, on market right now. The display is amazing. And number 3 is the battery life. It have a 3800 milliamp hour battery. The battery run me for 2 days. Amazing battery. I really love the battery life of this device. It's amazing, 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 amazing. And number 2 reason is the best camera. Yes, it have a OIS camera. These results are outside of this world. The results are outside of this world. And number 1 reason is 5G. The 5G did not work here still right now. I'm just stuck on the LTE 4.5G, but it's coming soon. So yeah, these are the top 5 reasons why you should get the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 5G. If you're on a budget, you can get the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 with the Snapdragon 445 processor and the 3200 around milliamp hour capacity battery and no 5G. I really love this one, to be honest with you. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe.